Are you still sending WhatsApp messages to all your new leads that you're going to receive for your business manually? Then this video is just for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we're going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads inquiries for gems and jewelry business. So I'm an owner of a gems and jewelry business and I receive a lot of leads and inquiries for my business with the help of IndiaMART. Here my objective is that as soon as I'm going to receive a new inquiry by the potential clients with the help of IndiaMART for my business, I want to send that lead a WhatsApp message. Now sending these messages manually whenever a new lead is generated is very time consuming. So what I did was I simply automated this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. And here in this automation I'm going to create a connection between IndiaMART and WhatsApp by AI Sensei with the help of it. As with the help of WhatsApp by AI Sensei, I have created a message template for sending messages to all the leads. If you want, you can use Vati or Interact to create your own message template. If you want to learn about this amazing automation process step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads inquiries for gems, jewelry and astrology business. So as an owner of a gems, jewelry and astrology business, I capture leads interested in my unique products with the help of IndiaMART. And I use WhatsApp to directly engage with these leads. The problem I face is that manually responding to each inquiry that has been generated with the help of IndiaMART is very time consuming and often delays engagement. So the solution to this is automation. So by setting up an automated system, I can instantly send personalized WhatsApp messages to all the leads generated with the help of IndiaMART. These automated messages provide information of our latest promotions, seasonal discounts or special arrivals, helping me keep the leads engaged and encouraging them to take the next step towards a purchase. And I will be creating this amazing automation between IndiaMART and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for a workflow name and for us to select a folder. So for the name of my workflow, I'm going to give it as Send Automated WhatsApp Message to IndiaMART Leads Inquiries for Gems, Jewelry and Astrology Business. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow, okay? After that, it is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click on this drop down. So these are the folders from which I'm going to select IndiaMART Automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving the name to the workflow and selecting the folder, I'm going to click on this Create button in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of Send Automated WhatsApp Message to IndiaMART Leads Inquiries for Gems, Jewelry and Astrology Business. And you can see over here there are two windows in front of you. One says Trigger, other says Action. So what is Trigger and Action? Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two concepts. Over here, trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step and multiple action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step first. And for the trigger application, what I'm going to do is I am going to select it as IndiaMART. As with the help of IndiaMART, I am receiving a lot of leads and inquiries for my business, for my gems and jewelry business. My objective is that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated by the potential customers and clients with the help of IndiaMART, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response of that. That is why for the trigger application, I'm going to select as IndiaMART, and for the trigger event, I'm going to select as new leads. Okay. After selecting the trigger application and the event, you can see that Pabbly Connect has provided us with a webhook URL. With the help of this unique webhook URL, we are going to create a connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect by following the steps given here below in the help desk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the URL from here. Now we're going to follow these steps given over here in the help test below, step by step, to connect IndiaMART to Pabbly Connect. Firstly, log into your IndiaMART account. So this is my IndiaMART account right over here. And now what I'm going to do is I want to connect this account to Pabbly Connect. So in order to do that, from the left side of the panel, go to the Lead Manager option. As you go to land towards the Lead Manager option page, on the top left corner it says menu, go to that button. Under menu, go to import and export leads, and from the given options go to push API. As you go to land on this page, it is asking for us to select the source first. In the given drop down, the source is not provided to us that we want to select, so I'm going to select the source over here as other. A dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the platform name first. So for the platform name over here, I'm going to give it as the source name that I have, that is Pabbly Connect. Okay, and then for the webhook URL, I'm going to paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us, and then I'm going to click on the Save Details button. It is asking for the reason why we're creating this API, so I'm going to select the reason and click on this button right over here. Okay, as you can see that the webhook URL is now successfully added in my IndiaMART account. As now the webhook is successfully added in my IndiaMART account, I'm going to open my workflow and scroll down. You can see right over here it is saying waiting for webhook response. So now in order to check whether IndiaMART is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a test lead with the help of IndiaMART. And after generating the test lead, I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of the test lead being generated or not. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate the test lead with the help of my IndiaMART's user account. So I'm going to log into my user account. So this is my user account right over here, and with the help of this account, I will be generating the test lead. Okay, I'm going to search for the dummy product that I've created. So I'm going to search for it. So this is a dummy product that I've created. I'm going to open this. This is the dummy product right over here. Okay, and with the help of this dummy product, I will be generating the test lead for my business. For that, click on this Contact Supplier button. It is asking for the inquiry that I have. So for the inquiry over here, I'm going to write it as... So this is the inquiry that I have. What's the price range of emerald earrings? Also, do you provide the certificates for gemstones? So this is the message. I'm going to click on the submit button. It is asking for the company name. So the company name over here, I'm going to write it as test company. Then I'm going to click on the submit button. As I've done that, it says the details are sent. As the details are now been forwarded, I'm going to open my workflow and check whether Pabbly Connect has captured the response of the test lead being generated or not. For that, I'm going to open the workflow that I've created. So this is my workflow, and if I'm going to scroll down, you can see right over here, Pabbly Connect has captured the response of the test lead being generated. Now let us tally the response. You can see I've received the query ID. State comes as Madhya Pradesh. For the subject, to receive the dummy subject. Name of the lead as Angel. For the phone number, the dummy mobile number of the lead. You can see for the email, testuser@pabblytudes.com. For the country code as IN. Company as test company. City as Bhopal. Address as Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Over here, I've received the demo product name. You can see right over here with the inquiry that we have generated. What's the price range of emerald earrings? Also, do you provide the certification of gemstones? Okay, so you can see this is the message with all the other details. As we have received the response of the test lead being generated with the help of IndiaMART, this means that IndiaMART has now been connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is done. Now, whenever a new lead is going to be generated with the help of IndiaMART, automatically, instantly, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response of the new lead being generated. After setting up our trigger step, we need to set up our action step. As our objective is that whenever a new lead is going to be generated by the potential customers and clients with the help of IndiaMART, automatically and instantly to that customer, a WhatsApp message should be forwarded. And we are going to be sending the WhatsApp message with the help of the template that I've created using WhatsApp by AI Sensei. So this is the message template that I've created using WhatsApp by AI Sensei in the name of Jewellery Lead Welcome. I want to send this template as a message to all the leads that are generated using IndiaMART. So let us go through the template first. Over here it says hello. Next to hello it says leads name. This is the variable that I've created. In place of this variable, I want the value of my lead's name. That's why I've created this variable, okay, so that I can send the personalized WhatsApp message. It says, thank you for reaching out to Timeless Treasures via IndiaMART. We are thrilled to share our exclusive offers and newest arrivals in gem, jewelry and astrology items with you. Limited time offer. Enjoy 40% off on selected pieces, featured collection, elegant emerald ring and birthstone pendants, personalized services. Consult with us for unique recommendations that will suit your astrological sign and personal style. Click here to explore or ask any questions. This is the dummy website. Looking forward to helping you find the perfect piece. Warm regards, Team Timeless Treasures. So this is a template that I've created. I want to send this template as a WhatsApp message to all my customers. So now in order to do that, we're going to set up our action step. And for the action application, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as WhatsApp by AI Sensei. As with the help of WhatsApp by AI Sensei, I've created a message template. So I want to send that message template as a message. So for the action event, I'm going to select it as send template message. Okay, then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection. After that, you can see it is asking for the API key. With the help of this unique API key, we're going to create a connection between WhatsApp by AI Sensei and Pabbly Connect by following the steps given here below in the help desk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my AI Sensei account. So this is my AI Sensei account, and to have the API key, from the left side of the panel, go to manage. After coming to the manage page, you can see under manage it says API key, go to that. Copy this key from here and paste it right over here, okay? And then click on this save button. As you can see that over here, WhatsApp by AI Sensei has now been connected to Pabbly Connect. Firstly, it is asking for the campaign name. So in order to send the template message that you have created using WhatsApp by AI Sensei as message to all your leads, it is important to first create the campaign of the template that you have created in your AI Sensei account. Now, in order to do that, I'm going to go back to my AI Sensei account. So this is the template that I've created using AI Sensei, and I'm going to create a campaign for this template. For that, what I'm going to do is from the left side of the panel, go to the campaigns option. After coming to campaigns, click on this launch button on the top right corner. For the campaign type, select it as API campaign. Okay, it is asking for the campaign name. So for the campaign name over here, I'm going to write it as, this is the campaign name that I want, that is Timeless Treasures. This is the name of my business. And for the template name, I'm going to select the template name that I've created. So this is a template that I've created, Jewellery Lead Welcome. Okay. After giving the campaign name and selecting the template, I'm going to click on the set live button and go to campaign button. As you can see that the campaign has now been successfully created in my AI Sensei account in the name of Timeless Treasures. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this campaign name from here and paste it right over here. Okay. So this is the campaign name. Okay. As the campaign is created, after that it is asking for the mobile number. On which mobile number do we want to send a WhatsApp message to? I want to send a WhatsApp message to all the leads that are generated. So for the data of the mobile number, what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the data. What is mapping? Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we're going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. And how mapping works is that as soon as I'm going to click on this field right over here, you can see this was the previous step, that is IndiaMART new leads. As I'm going to click on it, this was the same response that was captured in our previous step. It is asking for the mobile number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for the mobile number of my lead right over here. So you can see right away I've received the mobile number of my lead. So I'm going to select this data from my previous response as I want to send the lead the WhatsApp message. As I've selected the data from my previous response, the data is mapped. And as I map the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. Similarly, for the username, I'm going to map the data of the person to whom I want to send this message to. So for the username over here, I'm going to map the data of the name of my lead. So I'm going to search for the name right over here. So this is the name of my lead. I'm going to map the data. Okay. After that, it is asking for the source and the tags. I do not require the field, so I'm going to skip the part. After that, it is asking for the template parameter. So as I've already told you that in this template that I've created a variable. You can see right over here. So to enter the value of this variable, you have to enter the value in this field template parameter. So as over here, it is asking for the lead's name. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the data of the name of my lead from here, from my previous response. Okay. After that, it is asking for the attributes URL in the file name. I do not require the field, so I'm going to skip the part. And then I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. As I've done that, we have received a response, and over here you can see we've received the success as true, which is a positive response. So now I'm going to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received a new WhatsApp message or not. So for that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp, and yes, you can see right over here we have received a new WhatsApp message. It says hello Angel. This was the name of the lead. You can see right over here, and this is the same message that we have created as a template in our AI Sensei account has been forwarded on our WhatsApp. You can see as a message. As we have received the message successfully, this means that we have successfully created an automation between IndiaMART and AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an owner of a jewelry and gems business, and I receive a lot of leads and inquiries for my business with the help of IndiaMART. Here my objective is that as soon as a new lead or inquiry is generated with the help of IndiaMART by the potential clients or customers, to the customer I've generated the lead, I want to send an automated WhatsApp message. And for that, what I've done is I've simply automated this entire process between IndiaMART and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can check the queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.